Full moon, hello. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw. Ay, oh, eh. Full moon, alam mo ba full moon? Blood moon kagabi. Alam mo nawala yung blood moon kasi sobrang hangin. Hey Ghostbusters, malapit na ang Halloween. Boss love, give it to you, love, 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 love. Ewan ko talaga dito ni Boss Love. Uy, dumadaan lang. Hello. Look at my hands, Scooby. Hello po. Good morning po. I don't know what's your name. What should I call you? Hello, Redzy. Hey, Delirious. Delirious, Delirious. Bet nga natin si ate mo. Phoenix, kung maganda. Nag-off na siya. Kuya Dairot, wag ka na lang manood dito kung aalis ka din naman. Kuya Red Sea, hello. Matagal ka na ba sa satire, kuya? I think I'm falling for you. Wala. Walang bro kili-kili ko. I am proud to say that because I never shave my kilikili in my entire life and I never put anything on my kilikili. Matagal ka na. Host ka ba kuya or spender? Nagla-live ka. Magre-reveal ako, te, kung magbagsak ka sa akin. Huwag mo akong utusan. Lord, patawad. Mentally, thank you for coming back. Oh, 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 oh. So yummy. Do you drink Milo? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is for you mentally. I have something to give you. Don't go, ha. Don't go out. I have something to give you mentally. Wait, the signal is not giving. This is for you. Thank you so much po, mentally. Hey, Candy Crush. Crush na, crush na, crush kita. I like your mole. Thank you. You like my mole? This is my mole, guys. This is my mole. Oh. Thank you for admiring my mole. Scooby Dooby Doo. I thought that's your dog and you named that dog Scooby.